Epson projectors have been the most preferred the world over for 19 years in a row. But sometimes, due to operational conditions in spaces such as restaurants, factories, auditoriums, and homes, they may need a closer inspection. Here's what you need to look out for and keep your investment safe. A sticky, sooty layer on the projector's outer case, and the projector falling from its original position, both of which occur due to oily smoke, detergents, and volatile compounds. But there's no need to worry. Nothing comes before your peace of mind, which is why we are introducing the Epson Special Consultation Line. If you are using an Epson in these environments, please reach out to us. We'll provide the support you need. Stay a step ahead.